Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 24, 2022 3-star Sudoku. 5th row and 6th row we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. Column E we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, 9th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F and column G we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column G we have 6. 10th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row and column E we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth grade, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Third row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 will come in the cell. We will confirm later. Column E and 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column E we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row and third row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Ninth row and 10th row and column I we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C and column D we have 8. Seventh row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, on column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Sixth row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Sixth grade, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 5. Ninth grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Third row, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in other cells. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 4 and 9 will confirm later. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Second row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the cells. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. In column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come. In this cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining 1 and 7. Column B we have 7. So 7 can't come. In this cell 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.